Hello everyone, I welcome you all at my channel Saima Haq's Art World, and this is my first premiere. Are you excited? Yay! I am too excited and I am hoping so many people are going to join me today. I want to teach you how you can write thank you to anyone, or how can you make easily thank you card using glitter. Are you all ready? Yes. Let's start our work. There is a surprise also in this video, so watch this video till end. What are you going to do for making the card? You are going to take any hard sheet like cardboard, and then you are going to fold it into equal half. First of all, I am writing thank you. Thank you 1K subscribers. I simply write thank you 1K subscriber as I am celebrating today, and I would like to thank my all subscribers, my all viewers, my students, my friends, my fellows, my well-wishers. A huge thank you for subscribing my channel, and as my channel have completed its 1K subscriber, I am going to celebrate it. I am simply applying UHU glue. I simply wrote thank you with pencil first, then I apply UHU glue over it, as you have seen how I applied. Then what I am going to do, I am going to apply golden glitter. So you can sprinkle golden glitter or any glitter. If you like red glitter instead of golden, you can apply golden glitter also. As you have seen that before applying the glitter at my writing, I have spread the newspaper on the table so that this glitter cannot go to my table. This is the most easy technique to make the thank you card for anyone. As for me, you all are precious. That's why I'm making for all of you. Now I'm going to apply again UHU K, and now I'm going to spread red glitter. And afterwards, the extra glitter we can always put aside. Now I am applying the glue at my writing subscriber. You can simply use this glue as a pen, as a pencil. Now I have sprinkled the glitter over the subscriber. I am going to again now I have simply applied the glue at the corners of this card to give a look of frame. So this is the card of thank you for 1K subscriber from Saima Haq's Art World. Now I would like to make a card for my channel name. Here is a cake for my 1K subscriber to celebrate 1K subscribers of Saima Haq's Art World. Thank you my students, my friends, my colleagues, my well-wishers, and my viewers. I am able to celebrate this day because of you people. Let's cut the cake. So everyone, join me in this occasion and wish my channel to get more cakes. As you all are behind the camera, so on behalf of you, I am going to taste this cake and I hope you all are going to enjoy this occasion. Keep watching my channel, keep supporting Saima Haq's Art World. Be with me forever. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't have words to say thank you to all my viewers, all my fans. And I want more fans to add to my channel. Keep watching. Thank you for your precious time. See you next time with another video, with another skill. Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself.